Hi, this is Toby with Topic Trading, and it's time for another weekly preview. Starting out with the daily chart, we are looking at the ES mini futures daily, where one bar represents 1 day. And currently, we are still working higher here in our uptrend, which still looks intact here. So it's very bullish at the moment, super strong uptrend. Yesterday, we had this big bullish bar, which took out the bear bar from the day before. And considering the larger downtrend, if this is correct and we had an overshot, it was kind of expected that we would take out the bear bar here. Because quite often when we have an overshot like this, it's quite common that we will come back to the trend line and surpass that with about the same distance. So if this will happen, it's likely that we will actually work all the way up here to the outer band of the envelope bands. Considering also that we haven't had a break yet of this smaller uptrend, when we do eventually have a break, it's likely that we will come back and retest the high of the 4-bar uptrend here. So I think it's very likely that we still have some way up to go here, and the next target would probably be actually the outer band of the envelope bands. So pretty exciting at the moment. It's nice to see some bullish momentum. So let's see where it gets us. And eventually, when we do break the uptrend here and retest the highs of the uptrend, then it's just a wait and see again if this bullish trend will continue, or if we will turn back down again to retest the lows of the former wider downtrend, which is also quite common after we have a break, either if it's a break of the trend line or an overshot, that we will come back and retest the extremes. But with the overshot, if that's correct, it doesn't necessarily have to happen. Could be that we just continue going up. So as mentioned, it's just a wait and see after we have a break of this smaller uptrend and retest of the high of that. We just have to see then where prices are continue to go. Flipping over to news events for this week. Monday today, which I've already passed. No news events today. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we have the first news event at 7:30. This is US Central Time, so 7:30, that's 1 hour before open. We have 3 red news events then, potentially high impact. CPI month to month and CPI year to year. And Wednesday, also 7:30 in the morning, 1 hour before open. PPI month to month, core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, PPI, retail sales month to month. And also on Wednesday, 2 hours later, 9:30, 1 hour after open, we have another news event, an orange one, potentially medium impact, the crude oil inventories. Thursday morning, once again, 7:30, 1 hour before open, 2 news events, one red, potentially high impact, unemployment claims, and also a medium one, potentially medium, or sorry, orange, potentially medium impact event, the Philly Fed manufacturing index. 45 minutes later, 8:15, which is 15 minutes before open, another orange, potentially medium impact event, the industrial production month-to-month data. Friday, also in the morning, 7:30, 1 hour before open, another orange, potentially medium impact event, the building permits. And as mentioned many times before, keep these news events in mind since they can cause volatility to the market, which can in turn cause troubles with your orders, such as slippage, etc. So that's why we want to keep these news events in mind to avoid trading around them, especially the red ones, which can be high impact news. So I would really recommend you to use a news card if you're not doing that, just to keep you on the right track and as a tool to remember you when these news events occur. So to be sure, don't trade half an hour to an hour before to half an hour to an hour after these events. to be really on the safe side to not end up in any kind of volatility and another trouble. So that's it. I wish you a really great week and good trades to you. Take care, everybody. Bye.